welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell button to get my videos immediately. Dear Aquarius viewers, April month passed without anything, locked inside the house. How it may be, may will be good. Profit house of Kalpurshis, Aquarius. Ruling and Mula Trikon, house of Saturn is also Aquarius. No planet is exalting or debilitating in this house. This zodiac is birthplace for desires. Whatever you wish will be obtained through this zodiac. Fame and respect comes through this zodiac. So, Aquarius zodiac lord, Saturn is in the 12th house Capricorn along with 2nd and 11th house lord Jupiter. Fund flow will be enormous. Same amount of expenses will be there as a second house lord is in the 12th house. Take care of your health and don't be lazy. Since 12th house lord is in the 12th house itself, you will get nice and sound sleep and expenses will be only for comforts. Saturn's vision fall on 2, 6th and 9th houses, that is Pisces, Cancer and Libra. So you'll get flawless fund flow to meet your expenditure. Friends may become enemy and possibility of sudden indebtedness. Saturn's vision on Libra, your 9th house, helps you in getting riches from father's side. You'll be happy to donate them in charitable trust. Fortune favors you. There may be expenses on elder siblings as your 9th and 11th house lord is in the 12th house. Your year-long desires will be dragging without fulfillment. Jupiter's vision on 4th house, Taurus, helps in the improvement of mother's health. You can purchase houses, lands and vehicles duly getting bank loans. Take care of your health. As Jupiter's vision falls on Libra, your 8th house, all your problems and distress will vanish. 3rd and 10th house lord, Mars will be in 12th house till 4th May and transits to your zodiac, thereby relieving you from the fear of business and career. You will be courageous enough to face anything and everything. Younger siblings will be favorable. It is a time for others to appreciate your hard work and integrity. Exalted 7th house Lord Sun in the 3rd house in the first half of the month helps you to be courageous in the beginning of the month, and after 14th May he joins with Venus in Taurus. 7th house lord in 3rd and 4th house will make your spouse relationship harmonious. There won't be any problem for your comforts and luxury. Politicians will be benefited. Partnership business will flourish. 5th and 8th house lord will be in 3rd house till 9th and moves to your 4th house Taurus and will be there till 24th May and thereafter moves to Gemini, your 5th house. You will be proud and happy about your children. You may be disrespected in your love affairs. 4th and 9th house Venus in the 4th house itself will give you all comforts. You will be profited from father's side riches. As the vision of Jupiter falls on Venus, there may be possibility of controversies between you and your mother. 5th house ascendant dragon Ragu gives expenditure on children's education and welfare. 11th house descendant dragon Ketu involves you in spiritual thoughts and thereby you will get happiness. Moon transits to 8th house on 4th May afternoon, 5th and 6th May afternoon. So be careful, avoid new ventures and traveling. On the whole, this month is good about fund flow, spouse relation, children's side. It is a general prediction. If your ascendant is Aquarius, the set predictions holds good. Otherwise, you go in for the prediction of the zodiac where your ascendant falls. Based on your birth chart, Dasa Bhukti, predictions may vary. Planetary status. 4th May, Mars moves to Aquarius. 9th May, Mercury transits to Taurus. And after that, from 24th May, he transits to Gemini. 14th June, Sun transits to Taurus. 11th May, Saturn's retrogression starts. 13th May, Venus retrogression. 14th May, Jupiter's retrogression. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and press the bell button to get my videos immediately. Thank you.